Hey guys, welcome back. So, I haven't done a video on the cab here yet, and just wanted to touch base, let everyone see what went on and how we made the cab. So, yeah, truck cab, it wasn't always a truck cab. This was starting life as a sedan. So, once I learned from literature reading that this is what they did at the factory, that opened up a lot of doors for me to being able to have a Hudson truck. One ended up popping up on Marketplace out here, 4-door sedan. Went out, checked it out, investigated, and I just knew I had to have it. This was going to be the one that satisfied me with it. If I bought a Ford, a Chevy, a Dodge, it wouldn't be one that I keep for a bit. This one I'm planning to try and keep for a bit. So, brought this into the shop once I got here. The shop came with a forklift. It was pretty awesome. Now that I'm living forklift life, I can't go back. It's just like engine crane, cherry picker versus the gantry crane. Once you start using a gantry, you can hang off the thing like Tarzan, right? It's way better. So anyway, off topic here. So we got this into the shop. This was up on the forklift and brought it in. From there, I basically cut from the B pillar down and just cut this thing in half. Added some structure along the back, just some old bed frame, free metal that I had, just to strengthen it so that it didn't teeter-totter or anything like that. And so once it was actually sitting there, I could sit back and say, you know, what's going to be the rest of the vision along this way? What do I have to work with? So obviously I had the window from the 4-door sedan. That's what we grafted into here. So this is fit in here. The normal window on these cars is only about, you know, a foot, maybe 2 foot wide by a foot. And this one's got the double window. So I positioned this just at the right height so that you can see out the rear view mirror and actually use the window. So once that was grafted in place, I decided, you know, what else can we do? The 4-door actually has these hash marks in the back of it, so the trucks don't. That was a little touch that I added. It was this chunk of metal, and then that was just butt welding it in all the way around and getting that stuck in there. Now the rest of the back of the truck, that was just the leftover section of the roof of the car, and turned out great. So all the metal on this cab is still 1935. There isn't anything funky going on there. We have had to use some new metal on the rest of it, of course, but you know, for the most part, I'm just trying to reuse what I've got. So yeah, pretty happy with it and just trying to keep it short. So thanks for checking it out. Have a good day. Right on.